Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious fried chicken in your air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients like chicken pieces, flour, eggs, and your favorite seasonings. Next, set up a 3-station breading assembly for a smooth process. Remember to pat your chicken pieces very dry. This crucial step helps achieve that wonderfully crispy crust we all love. Let's get cooking. Now let's perfect that breading. Begin by dipping each chicken piece into your seasoned flour, ensuring a light, even base coat. Then move it to the whisked eggs, making sure the entire piece is thoroughly covered. This acts as your binding agent. Finally, return the chicken to the seasoned flour for a generous second dredge, pressing gently to create a thick, flavorful crust. This 3-step method is key. It's time to air fry. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Carefully place your breaded chicken pieces in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. This allows for optimal air circulation and even cooking. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes, remembering to flip the chicken halfway through for that perfect golden crispness on all sides. To ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked and safe to eat, always check its internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once done, remove the chicken from the air fryer and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, resulting in incredibly tender and juicy meat. Now, you can enjoy your delicious, perfectly crispy air-fried chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.